What the heck is happening, you guys? Big Z in this one from the Pinnacle, and in this video I'm going to show you another email from people pretending to be Royal Bank of Canada. Okay, so it says sign in protection. Hi, and that's your email. We're sorry we can't open or continue your online banking session. For your protection, access to your online service is blocked. Sign in help options. Click here to go through your extra verification process. So that's the link. Do not click this link. Once again, do not click this link. And number two is please contact the RBC Advice Center. An advisor would be happy to assist you. Note, if not completed until excuse me, February 28, 2020, we will be forced to terminate your account. Thank you, Royal Bank Canada Security Team Advisor. Okay, so that's another kind of email. They're gonna get to you, that's their goal basically. If you receive these kind of emails, please delete them as soon as possible. Do not click on this link here, okay? Do not do that. Just delete this link. Delete the email, not the link. Delete the link, and if you think you might be compromised, call RBC, okay? RBC was their call center, okay? Here's the toll-free number, 1-800-769-2511. Please call them and do not click on this stupid link. Delete the email as soon as possible, and nothing has happened to your account, that. But if you think something might have happened, call RBC call center here, okay? So that's that. I hope this makes sense to you guys. Any question, comment, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching my videos, and do not forget to subscribe. Big C out.